Did you know pizza is made differently all over the world? Today, we're exploring 10 unique pizza styles, from classic Neapolitan to unexpected toppings. Stick around for a pizza adventure. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're taking a trip around the world to explore different styles of pizza, from traditional to the totally unexpected. Let's get started. First up, Neapolitan pizza from Italy. This one is all about the thin, soft crust with those beautiful charred edges. It's got minimal toppings: fresh mozzarella, San Marzano tomatoes, and basil. And it's cooked in a wood-fired oven at a scorching 900-degree Fahrenheit for just 90 seconds. Next, we've got New York-style pizza from the USA. Think large, foldable slices with a thin, crispy crust. It's topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella, and sometimes pepperoni or veggies. This is a street food favorite, best eaten on the go. Now, let's dig into Chicago deep dish pizza. With its thick, buttery crust, layered with cheese, meats, and chunky tomato sauce. This pizza is baked in a deep pan for a hearty, casserole-like texture. Definitely best eaten with a fork and knife. Moving on to Detroit-style pizza. This one is square-shaped with a thick, airy crust. The cheese is baked right to the edges, creating a crispy, caramelized crust. And the sauce goes on top instead of under the cheese. Then, there's Sicilian pizza from Italy. It's thick, rectangular, and extra fluffy, topped with tomato sauce, anchovies, and herbs, sometimes cheese. Popular in bakeries as a grab-and-go snack. In Brazil, pizza takes a creative turn. Brazilian pizza uses unique toppings like bananas, corn, or catupiry cheese. It's often topped with a drizzle of condensed milk for a sweet-savory combo. A unique twist on a global favorite. How about Japanese okonomiyaki pizza? This is a savory, pancake-like pizza with cabbage, seafood, and mayonnaise, often topped with bonito flakes that move when heated. A delicious mix of textures and umami flavors. From Turkey and the Middle East, we have lahmacun. It's a thin, crispy flatbread topped with spiced minced lamb, tomatoes, and onions, served rolled up with lemon and herbs. A perfect street food snack. In Sweden, you can find the unusual banana curry pizza, topped with bananas, curry powder, and cheese. It's a surprisingly sweet and savory combination. A must-try for adventurous food lovers. Lastly, let's talk about clam pizza from New Haven, CT, USA. This white pizza is topped with fresh clams, garlic, and olive oil. It's got a unique briny flavor, loved by seafood enthusiasts. A specialty of Frank Pepe Pizzeria Neapolitan. Now you know 10 unique pizza styles from around the world. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert food content. Want to explore more global flavors? Check out the Speedy Chef playlist for expert cooking tips and food adventures.